These stylish Leeds city centre apartments are forecast to deliver up to a 12% net yield from the lucrative short-term rental market, as well as over 28% capital growth by 2029. Leeds welcomes over 30 million visitors annually for sports, business, education and live events, providing a diverse year-round demand profile that the city's hotels simply cannot cope with. A short 5-minute walk into the city centre and close to all the main transport links, these apartments are ideally located for rentals. Expect high occupancy and nightly room rates. There's also strong potential for upside. The £500 million South Bank regeneration is driving an influx of major blue chip employers and transforming this central area of Leeds. With prices starting from just £185,000, a developer that's completed over 5,000 units and just a 10% deposit needed on exchange, now is the time to get in on the action. For further details of this opportunity, register now with Elite Realty Invest.